Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about what is soil. How can we define? Yes, the soil. It is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. It works as a medium for plant growth. Its body of soil called the pedosphere. The study of the soil is called pedology or pedosphere. Soil, it is essential to living organisms which has formed during Pleistocene age. Who is the father of pedology? Dokcho is the father of pedology during the period of 1846 to 1903. How the soil formed on the planet Earth? So which has been formed during the action of breaking down of rock materials, action of the gravity, mechanical weathering, physical weathering. So all these breaking down of rocks, chemical active fluids, all those things work together to form the action of soils of formed. How the soil is useful for plants and humans. Soil provides minerals and water to plants according to several processes involved in plant nutrition. Soil absorbs rainwater and releases it water into the ground again, thus preventing floods and drought too. Flood regulation being one of the major ecosystem services provided by soil. Soil cleans water naturally as it percolates through it. Generally, ponds, lakes, and rivers, if you can observe that these are percolate through the soil origins and the soil upper the rock strata that will become the groundwater. We can easily observe the field level. If you see in this picture, we have seen three layers from the top to the bottom, A, B, C. A is the topsoil, B is the regolith, C is a saprolite. Topsoil, on the topsoil that will provide the nutritions for plant growing and trees and crops something else. So between B is the regolith. What is the regolith? Regolith means nothing but on that outcrop. What is the outcrop? Outcrop is the exposure rock body on the surface. On that surface rock body, loose soil material is developed are available on the that is topsoil. So below the topsoil, regolith is available. That means rock body, rock surface. So below the regolith, C is the saprolite. Saprolite means a less weathered regolith. Less weathered. That actually this regolith is rock surface below the regolith, that is less weathered. Less weathered means it is affected by the natural process, physical temperature and other activities are developed below the regolith. Regolith means fresh rock body is available between these topsoil and saprolite. This is the difference between A, B, C. A is the topsoil, B is the regolith, C is the saprolite. So below the saprolite, bedrock is available. So this is the difference between layers, so which is called soil profile. So this is the very important thing. Regolith type of questions are asked in the competitive exams like CSIR, NET or SET and GATE. So సాయిల్ని తెలుగులో ఈ విధంగా డిఫైన్ చేయవచ్చు. జంతువృక్ష పదార్థాలతో కూడిన శిలలు, ఖనిజాలు, దుమ్ము మొదలైనవి గల భూమి ఉపరితలం. మన్ను, ఎరువు, మురికి పెరుగుదలకు, అభివృద్ధికి వీలైనగా భావించే పదార్థం నేల. దేశం, ప్రాంతంగా చెప్పొచ్చు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద బ్రీఫ్లీ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అబౌట్ సాయిల్ ప్రొఫైల్. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్.